This is a new Dewalt dcf500 12 volt. Got the quick change 3/8, quarter inch, and hex. There's the specs and the model number, 450 RPM, dcf500, blah blah blah, all that. This is the old dcf503 3/8. I've got the 501 quarter inch too, but I figured this test would be a little bit more close with these two. It's been a good tool. I've used it a lot. It has good power, but this is definitely a step up. It's a lot faster, smoother, same body, the length the same and all that, but obviously the heads are different and the motors are different. But I'm gonna just loosen the bolt, tighten it back down with both of them, and break them loose and see what it says. First, I'm going to do the 503. Yeah, I'll have to switch it on a different bolt. That was damaged. I gotta replace that. We'll come over here and do this one. So here's the 503. Run it down. Well, helpful I wasn't tightening it. Try it again. Battery came out. $29.5. Okay. There's the dcf500. $28. Now I did this test earlier on another bolt and got 62 out of this one and 71 out of this one. But obviously it's the way you do these bolts. It's going to vary from bolt to insert or clip or whatever they're going into. So it's not very scientific. Obviously, I'm not. I didn't record what I was doing today, so you can take it as you will. But yeah, all in all, I would pick the new 500 over the old 503 any day. It's quicker, it's smoother, it's got a lot more power. It seems like you got more leverage even though they're the same length. I don't know if it's the head, if it's just me, I don't know, whatever. But we'll do one more little test here on this strut bolt. Got to change the strut anyway, so. I don't think it's tight at the 14 millimeter. to the top, and we'll run it down. Break it loose. $67.8. Okay, now we're going to switch over to the new 500. Run it up. Level. $62.4 on that one. And now we'll run the 5 amp in both. Let's do the 500 first. A lot quicker with this one, with the 5 amp battery on it. Let's see what she'll get out of this. $71.2 for the new dcf500. This is the old 503 5 amp battery. All the way at the top. $75.4. Do it one more time each. We'll do it on a different bolt this time. $76.2 for the dcf503. All the way up. $75.5. So there you have it. Not scientific, but you kind of get the idea. All in all, I'm very happy with this. I think it's a major upgrade. As far as torque goes, they're fairly close, but the RPM and the smoothness of this tool is definitely worth the switch, in my opinion. Very easy to change these inserts out. I mean, it's basically one-handed. Pop right out. There's your 1/4 inch. Pop right in. Pop it out. That's what it looks like. Got a grease fitting there. And here is the 1/4 inch adapter, hex drive. Very, very handy. I didn't think it was going to be handy, but I use a lot of small ratchets to get inside wheel wells and stuff, doing body work, and I think it will work out well. See if I got a drive a screw in here somewhere. Kind of give you an idea. One-handed bit exchange. This little screw here, I'll just show you. Take it. So, yeah, pretty sweet. I'm really happy with it. Like I say, I didn't think I was going to like I didn't think I was going to like these quick chain bits at all. But I like it. I've only used it for today, and I fell in love with it. I'm gonna get the dcf500. It's the new version, 3/8 half inch, 20 volt. There's a difference between the 501. I mean, they're basically identical, but the heads are different. But yeah, there's the new Dewalt dcf500.